Welcome to Smart Math. Today I am trying to solve this math Olympic problem in a very easy way. So our equation is square root of 10 into square root of 10 into square root of 10, that is equals to 100 power x. So let's find the value of x. So our equation is, I am wrote here 10 square root 10 square root 10 square root. We have 3 square root in a number, so 100 to the power of x. So if I'm trying to solve this equation, I'm using squaring both sides. So if I'm using squaring both sides, so this will be the product of power rule. So the product of power rule is if a to the power of m to the power of n, this means they will be equals to a to the power of m and n. So our equation become, first this square and square root cancel, so equation become 10 square root 10 square root 10, that is equals to 100. 2x is 2 into x is 2 of x. So now if I'm again squaring both sides, so if I'm again squaring both sides, so this time I'm using power of product rule, that is if a and b have same power of n, we have separated out their power, a to the power of n and b to the power of n. So this equation become 10 into 2 10 square into 10 square root and 10 square root, and this is also square. So this is 100 into 2x is 4x here, square and square root cancelled out. So our equation is 10 square into 10 to the power of 1 into 10 to the power 10 square root, that is equal to 100 power 4 of x. So now I am using the quotient formula. Now I am using fraction exponential rule, that is if a to the power of n, that is equals to a to the power of n by 2 here. So we have square root here, so 10 square into 10 power 1 into 10 to the power of n by 2 is 1 by 2 here, 1 here, 1 by 2, that is equals to 100 power of 4 of x here. So now if I'm using the product of power rule, so we are added the power, so equation become 10 to the power 2 plus 1 plus 1 by 2 here, that is equals to 100 to the power of 4 of x here. So if I'm taking the LCM here, LCM is 2 plus 1 here plus 1 into 1 2s are 2 and 2 here, 2 2s are 4 here, that is equals to 100 is 2 square into the power of 4 of x here. So this is 10, 4 plus 2 plus 1 is 7 divided by 2, that is equals to 10 is 2 into 4 is 8 of x here. So 8 of x here. So if I'm both side multiply by power multiply by 2 by 7. So this equation become 10 to the power of 7 by 2 into 2 by 7, that is equals to 8, 10 to the power of 8 of x into 2 by 7. So this 7 cancel, 2 cancel her. So we got the value of 10 is 1 and 10 8 is 8 2s are 16 of x divided by 7 here. So this concludes that if power base are same, then power will be also same. So 16 of x divided by 7, that is equals to 1. So if I'm take both side by multiply by 7 divided by 16 and into 7 divided by 16 here. So this is, so 16 and 16 cancel, 7 cancel, so x is become 7 divided by 16. So let's verify, put in main equation. So now put in main equation. So we are taking first all left hand side. So left hand side is become 10 square root into 10 square root double square root into 10 square root triple square root here. So square root of 10 is become 1 by 2, and this is become 1 by 2 into 1 by 2, and this is also become 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 here. So this is equation become 10 to the power of 1 by 2 into 10 to the power of 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 here. So this is become 10 to the power of 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 here. So 10 to the power of 1 by 2 is, if I multiply 1 ones are 1 and 2 twos are 4 here. So this is 1 ones are 1 here, 2 twos are 4, 4 twos are 8 here. So if I'm solve this equation, 10 if I'm power will be added. So 10 base are same, then power will be added 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 8 here. So take the LCM here, 10 to the power of LCM here, 8 here, 8 ones are 8 and 1 here, 4 twos are 8, 2 here, 2 fours are 8, 4 here. So this is left hand side become 10 to the power of 4 plus 6 2 is 6 and 7 by 8. So now solve left hand side. So now solve right hand side. So right hand side is equals to 100 to the power of x is 7 by 16. For now further solve, I am 100 which become 10 square into 7 by 16 here. Further solve 10 2 into 7 by 16 here. So 2 and 2 8s are 16 here. So this is equals to 10 to the power of 7 by 8 here. So if I'm wrote, this is similar wrote, this is equals to 10 to the power of 7 by 8. So left hand side, we conclude that left hand side is equal to the right hand side. So our desired solution of x is equals to 7 by 16 is satisfactory. So thanks for watching. Keep like, share and subscribe.